Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will review AT&T INTERNET AIR. AT&T INTERNET AIR is a wireless home internet service that uses 5G technology instead of traditional cables. One of its best features is that easy setup. You just plug in the device and it connects automatically, which is great for people who don't want technicians coming over. It's also portable, so you can move it to another room or even a different location. Speeds can be fast, especially in areas with strong 5G coverage, and is usually good enough for browsing, streaming, and video calls. Another plus is that there are no annual contracts, and the price is reasonable for what you get. It also includes unlimited data, which is helpful for families or people who use the internet a lot. However, there are some downsides to keep in mind. The biggest issue is reliability. If you live in an area with a weak 5G, the connection might be slow or drop often. It's not ideal for serious gamers or people who need very stable connections. Also, during peak hours, speeds can slow down because of network congestion. Some users have reported issues with customer support, like long wait times or confusing answers. And while the service is growing, it's still not available in all areas. Overall, AT&T INTERNET AIR is a good choice for light to moderate internet use, especially in places where traditional broadband isn't available. But it may not be the best option for heavy users or those needing high-speed stability all the time. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys have value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.